Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Huawei Nova Y91. And to do this we'll need to open an app gallery. Here in the top search find Microsoft Edge. Install it. When it's ready, click on the open. And the first thing is introduction. You can read through it to learn some interesting features about this browser. I'm gonna skip it. Now we can customize a homepage with wallpapers, most visited sites, and a newsfeed. Next is to sign in to turn on synchronization between other Microsoft Edge devices. I'm gonna skip it. Set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. And lastly, accept or disagree with a data sharing preference for Microsoft and click on confirm. Now we can open any website. And as you can see, the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.